Prowess behind the scene. Hold the vision, trust the process. Hello and welcome to Rabbi Rashi Foundation. We have with us Avanti Mohta, pillar of strength, mother, and the mind behind Shakti Kavaj. So Avanti, tell us about yourself and how did it all start?
So I've done my schooling from Lucknow University, graduation from the Lucknow University. And at heart, I'm an artist. I love painting. I got married early. I did a couple of solo shows and group shows as well at the Birla Academy, Lalit Kala, Lucknow. And, they were appreciated. I also actually tried my hand at this table centerpiece ideas for different social events. And now I've gotten to work with my husband. So he, 2 years back, approximately 2 years back, he started retailing spices and he was very keen for me to join. So I just gotten with him.
So were you dabbling your hands into spices and doing like gharelu, those treatments? Were you already into this?
Not really, but our company is, IWP, our company. That's a 100-year-old company manufacturing katha. And katha has a lot of medicinal values as well, used for pan masala also. But he just wanted to diversify, so he started retailing spices. So it's a very recent 2 year back kind of a thing.
Oh, that's wonderful. So tell us something about Shakti Kavaj. How did it, it's your baby, and how did you start with it?
During these times, we just, it's actually our latest product. And it just that, everybody wants immunity against these times. So we thought that, we just made this mix of natural spices. We've carefully blended them together, and this enhances the immunity and it combats, cold and viral infections. And we've actually added no preservatives, no added flavors, nothing. So it's really good and natural. And I'm hoping everybody has this. And we also take a lot of care of our quality, because most of our ingredients we are sourcing from our in-house company overseas in Indonesia.
Okay.
So even the ingredients that we use, if you actually go through the back of our pack, so that's our pack. And it has 6 doses. One person can have this 6 times, once every day, around a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, and anything hot water, hot tea. Even sometimes you can have this with honey, but once a day only. And if you just turn it and you see our ingredients, all the ingredients have a lot of benefits to it. Like tulsi. I'm sure, growing up, your mom, grandmom, they all must have told you tulsi is good for cold, for fever, which is actually true. So we put in tulsi. It's also an anti-inflammatory. It's packed with disease-fighting antioxidants. So, there are multi benefits of each ingredient that we use. And we formulate it like, at home when we are making anything, it's very approximation, say we put in things. But here we've actually formulated a powder which is easy to use, and you know that these are the ingredients that have to go into your body every day in so much percentage.
Okay, so can we have a look at the pack once again? Okay, so it's in are these, this is powder form?
This is powder form, and it's golden color to exuberate the energy and vitality.
I'm sure. So, so this is supposed to be had once a day. You can have it in the morning or at night. So tell me something. So once this pandemic came and, March onwards, people were, all of a sudden everybody was very careful about immunity and, the different products which are boosting your immunity. So, I'm sure people the demands must have increased for this product.
So we've actually introduced it in the market only, it's been around 15 days.
Okay.
But we thought about it because COVID and, we wanted to do something, we all know, COVID has left nobody untouched. So, yes.
Okay. Okay. So,
and we are, it is doing well. It is doing well because it's, it does help. It does help. And I think everybody who's tried it realizes that it's good for them. And
okay, why I'm asking this, that even the kids can have it, like any age groups or any dose?
I think, I don't know about pregnant women.
Okay.
So you will have to ask a doctor. But kids, yes. Teenagers, yes, of course. The smaller kids also, again, I think it's better to ask a physician. But yes, a smaller dosage of what we normally recommend for them would be better than a teaspoon.
Okay, so it can be had like, even if you have normal cold and you're not, COVID positive, and you can just have it for cold and cough also.
This is not for COVID. This is just to build your immunity.
Okay.
For any kind of cough, cold, viral infection. And yes, we can have it once a day. If you have a cold, maybe twice, but that's the maximum.
Okay, great. So I'm sure Shakti Kavach will be a great product, and I wish you all the best for it. Okay, now Avanti, tell us something more about you as an artist.
I'm not really painting right now, but any free time I get, I do like to do classes. Recently, I did one on fluid ink, which I thoroughly enjoyed myself. Also during the COVID period online, but it was a lot of fun. So I keep doing these little bits and pieces of art and satisfying myself with all that.
Okay, very nice. So tell me something, what are your thoughts on women empowerment?
Being a woman, of course, I support it. And my entire family supports it as well. That's why I guess I'm doing this with their support and encouragement. And I think everybody should absolutely, in India, especially in India, they should be taught the skills to encourage, to boost women with confidence, to boost their morale. I don't know, but actually, if you see even class 10, the results of girls passing successfully are much more than boys. And then you see that, they don't do their graduation, they normally drop out to get married. So I would actually request parents to, invest in their education so that the girls are able to reach their targets, their dreams. And I think somebody also said, at Mahatma Gandhi, I'm not super sure, but they said that you educate a man and you educate a person. You educate a woman and you educate the whole family. So, actually, I feel it's really important. And women managerial skills are just super fab. You see yourself, you are dedicated to your home, you're dedicated to your kids, their nourishment, their education, while being employed. So women can multitask impeccably.
I'm 100% sure on what and I agree with you. So tell me, since you've just started with this product, so do you plan to employ more women in your venture later on once you grow big?
Yes, okay. Absolutely. As we grow, I would want to. With, of course, the team help and but yes.
So I want to confirm with you, I'm sure since the company is, into a lot of spices, and so I'm sure you would be having a different R&D team and the scientists and the doctors who would be verifying this. Because that day when I was talking to
Kavach, the formula for
Yeah,
Shakti?
yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
of course. We have a team and they formulated it, and that's how it's out. So that's what I was telling you, that, we have absolute accurate, the percentage of every ingredient is very accurately put.
That's wonderful. That's wonderful. Okay, now tell me, what are your future business plans now, Avanti? This is there. It's in the market. So since you have a knack for this, and so what are your plans now?
Plans, I mean, we definitely want to capitalize on our distribution network, which is rapidly expanding. So we want to add more products. In fact, in the coming month, we are planning to add ginger garlic paste and introduce pasta. So macaroni, fusilli, a couple of pastas. And we are hoping very soon we come out with this whole new line of very tasty, yummy snacks. My son is very excited about the yummy, tasty snacks.
That's very innovative, and I think people look for new products, and especially developed by women, and homemakers who are the strength behind the scene, and women who are the mastermind behind so many products, but they don't come on the scene. So that is why we are running the show, so that you can just come on board and share your story. So tell me, see, this product, you said that you floated it, the Shakti Kavach, you floated it like 15 days back, right? So were you thinking about it for like a time now, or you just thought once the thing started, the pandemic? How was it?
Like I told you, COVID has affected all of us in some way or the other. But my husband, Bharat, he is such an optimist. He's always taught us to be positive, see positivity in everything. And he's always taught us to see the silver lining in every situation. So, the team of IWP, they just thought about this and they started Shakti Kavach. And I think it's doing great.
So tell me more about the products IWP is manufacturing.
IWP is manufacturing close to around 100 SKUs variants. So we have a lot of spices, like the basic spices like haldi, mirchi, dhania, of course. And then we have mixed spices, which are chola masala, raita masala, sabji. We have meat masala, chicken masala, and garam masala, of course. Also, we have a couple of flavors in pickles that we started, and we are now just waiting to expand further.
Okay, tell us more about the pickles.
Pickles we are doing in 3 flavors: mirchi, aam, and mixed pickle, which is last month. We introduced that a month back, and it's really going great. Actually, our focus markets are UP, Haryana, and Delhi. So the pickles are more in these 3 states, and it's doing super well.
So this is a very personal question, but I would like to ask you that do you actually get involved with your husband in developing this, or you just share your idea and there is a team who develops it? How is it?
So, I'm actually looking after the creative part. I'm handling all the creative part. And I'm slowly getting into operations. So till now, he was always telling me, help me, and you need to join me. So I was helping him with the design and development of the new products across categories. But now I am getting into operations. So Shakti Kavach, yes, he really, I think, left it totally to me. But the rest, I had a lot of help from him.
That's awesome if you have supporting families, and especially husbands, because we at a foundation, we run these there's a flagship initiative that we are running for midlife women facing a lot of crisis, and the most common problem that we come across is unsupportive husbands and families. Women want to go out and do things, but due to various reasons, nothing to, and we don't need to blame anyone, but there are so many various reasons that you don't get the support, and we are blessed that we have supportive families with us.
That's right.
So, yeah. So Avanti, tell me something. this is anything in art more you want to get into professionally apart from this business of yours?
I was having exhibitions and selling my art as well. But right now, my hands are so full with this new venture of Bharat's that I think this is going to keep me busy for the longest.
Okay. So what about the vendor base? I am sure you must be having vendors.
Yes, we do have. We have around 100 retailers under us and 250 distributors selling our product. But again, in the three UP, Haryana and Delhi that I mentioned, for Shakti Kavach, we are trying to do it all over India because, we feel that it's a product which is so good and we would like, it's just that at this point, we also, I personally I realize that I want to give back to the society. So, this is one way in which I can.
That's wonderful. So are you open to new vendors, raising new vendorships also for Shakti Kavach?
Of course, we are.
Okay, because there are a lot of, people who are attached with us at the foundation. They keep asking for new business ventures and products.
Please put them on. We would be very happy.
Okay. So in case we get any query, we will definitely put them across to you. So it was a great talk, Avanti. Behind all stories, there is a genuine story which can encourage all who are looking for answers. If you want to share your story, contact us, write to us, email us. Just pick up your phone and just call me whenever you want to. See you soon. And thank you so much, Avanti, for coming over. Thank you so much.